Aral Sea. It was once the fourth largest inland lake in the world, located in Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan in Central Asia. Because of human intervention and exploitation, it has shrunk by 70% from 67,000 square kilometers in 1960 to 30,000 square kilometers by 1997. The Aral Sea obtains its water from two main rivers, the Sur Daya and the Amu Daya, which is mostly depend on melting snow, and this has been for thousands of years. The water volume is balanced by a natural equilibrium between inflow and evaporation. It started shrinking due to Soviet irrigation projects. In 1918, the Soviet Union planned to grow cotton near the Aral Sea and acted on it in the 1920s. This drawing of water from the rivers continued until 1980s. By 1987, it dried out so much that, instead of one lake, there were now two. The large Aral, which is in the southern area, and the small Aral, which is in the northern area. While up to 1960, the water level was about 174 feet above the sea level. It suddenly dropped to 89 feet in the large lake and 141 feet in the small lake. Yet the world wasn't aware of this tragedy until 1985, when the Soviet kept the facts hidden. It is believed that in the early 1990s, the Soviet Union set up a laboratory for bioweapons at the Aral Sea Center. Many agents, such as smallpox, anthrax, brucellosis, plague, and tularemia were tested on the island. Most of the dangerous disease-causing germs have been buried. Fortunately, the Kazakh government eventually ensured the cleaning of the regions where they had been concealed. As the size of the Aral Sea decreased, the salinity of water increased from 10 gram to 45 gram per liter between 1960 and 1998. At present, approximately 2 million tons of salt and sand are brought every day by the wind from the Aral Sea area and dropped within a range of 300 kilometers. Salt pollution lowers the area available for planting, damages pastures, and causes a scarcity of cattle fodder. Health concerns common to persons living in the Aral Sea region include cancers, digestive issues, lung disease, liver, kidney, and eye diseases. At least a quarter of the people living in the Aral Sea region of Kazakhstan live below poverty line. According to the official estimates, the monthly pay is 3 times lower than that of the financial capital of Kazakhstan, Almaty. The life expectancy is barely 66 years old compared to 70 in Almaty, and death rate is higher as a result of disease and water pollution. The situation has become so bad today that it is merely 10% of what it was before. The United Nations has even claimed that the Aral Sea wouldn't be shown on future world maps if no actions were taken to revive it. Thank you for watching the video. For more interesting facts, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Until then, peace out.